Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting a reliable VPN and enabling the right phone settings. Install the VPN, sign into an account, and pick a nearby server in your target country. Lower latency means fewer app hiccups. Once done, set your device location mode to high accuracy and open Google Opinion Rewards to grant location permission. Make sure the VPN is connected before continuing. This prevents the app from seeing your real IP and helps present surveys based on the VPN server's region. Next, synchronize app state with the VPN so Google Opinion Rewards sees the new region. With the VPN active, force stop and clear cache for Google Play and the Opinion Rewards app. Then reopen the apps so they fetch region data from the VPN. You should accept any regional prompts and verify language or offers match the server location. If GPS still exposes your real location, you may need a GPS spoofing tool. But be careful, this increases complexity and potential account risk. Finally, confirm surveys and rewards align with the VPN country by checking incoming survey offers and Play Store content. If you don't see changes, try a different server in the same country, reconnect the VPN, clear caches again, and relaunch the app. If you get blocked or flagged, pause for 24 to 48 hours before retrying and avoid rapid country switching. One key troubleshooting tip: if location mismatch persists, verify both GPS and IP match the VPN region. Fixing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.